Are you that person who's always got a smile, always lending a hand, always saying yes? But inside, it feels like you're fading into the background, right? People overlook you, take you for granted, and it hurts more than you let on. What if I shared with you that this niceness is not lifting you up? It's quietly chipping away at your inner strength. Today, I'm opening up about 7 subtle things nice folks like you do that come across as weakness, and how to turn them into your quiet power. Stay with me because overlooking this might keep you stuck, missing out on the respect and connections you truly deserve. Let's talk it through. Before we get into these habits, let's analyze the why. At its core, this ties into how we humans mirror each other's self-worth. It's called the reciprocity principle, but twisted. When you give endlessly without guarding your space, you're subtly telling others you're okay being undervalued, and they pick up on that vibe instinctively. This is how social exchange theory plays out. Overdoing niceness activates that ancient part of the brain that sees you as less dominant, more of a follower. Ever notice how truly magnetic people just draw respect without trying? They sidestep these pitfalls. The beauty is, you can too. These aren't fixed traits. They're patterns we can reshape. By the end of this video, you'll feel equipped to step into that same effortless presence. So let's start uncovering these patterns, beginning with the one that slips out before you even realize. First up, habit 1, over-apologizing. You know, saying sorry for the smallest things, like sharing a thought or a minor bump. In my practice, I call this the submission echo. It's rooted in our evolutionary wiring to defer, but it broadcasts insecurity, making you seem smaller in others' eyes. Here's how we shift it. Reserve sorry for real slip-ups only, and mindfully replace it with expressions of gratitude or acknowledgement to keep the tone positive without diminishing yourself. For instance, instead of "sorry I'm late," try "thanks for your patience while I got here." Or if you interrupt accidentally, say "appreciate you letting me jump in," rather than "sorry for cutting in." Be mindful because every unnecessary sorry chips away at your perceived confidence. Over time, it trains people to see you as hesitant. And flipping this builds a habit of self-respect that others will mirror back, making interactions feel more equal and empowering you to hold your ground naturally. But hold on, there's a quieter one coming up. Habit 2, sidestepping conflict. You smooth things over. Avoid the tough stuff to keep everyone happy, thinking it'll make you more likable. This is what I term the harmony illusion, fueled by our deep-seated fear of rejection. It's your brain protecting you short-term, but it signals vulnerability, opening doors for others to push boundaries. Let's reframe. Start practicing assertive. I feel statements a few times a week to voice your needs without aggression, building that muscle gradually. Say, "I feel this deadline doesn't align with our resources," instead of swallowing it. Or in a personal chat, "I feel overlooked when plans change last minute," rather than brushing it off. Mind this because avoiding conflict doesn't preserve peace. It erodes your boundaries, leading to resentment and lost opportunities. By leaning in mindfully, you foster real respect, reduce inner stress, and create healthier dynamics where your voice matters, turning potential clashes into growth moments. Think about those leaders you admire. They own the space because they lean in. You can get there too. Ready for 3? Habit 3, over-explaining everything. You pile on reasons for your choices, trying to win approval. From sociology, this is the defense spiral. Studies on how we manage impressions show it highlights doubt, making you appear less sure-footed. Simplify. Commit to sharing just 1 or 2 strong reasons per decision, trusting that brevity conveys confidence. For example, "I chose this approach because it maximizes efficiency." End there. Or say, "I'm prioritizing this task as it drives the biggest impact." Be vigilant here because over-explaining invites scrutiny and dilutes your authority, often stemming from a need for validation that leaves you feeling exposed. Curbing it mindfully sharpens your communication, boosts how others perceive your decisiveness, and frees up mental energy, helping you come across as poised and in control. But if that resonates, wait till you hear about 4. Habit 4, always pleasing others. Saying yes to every ask, even when it wears you thin, just to feel needed. This creates what I see as the giving vortex, twisting Cialdini's reciprocity into a one-way drain. It teaches people to expect without giving back, eroding your standing. Your move: establish a no practice, starting with 2 polite declines daily for things that don't serve you, to reclaim your time and energy. Try: I appreciate you thinking of me, but I need to pass this time for an extra shift, or thanks for the invite, but I'm focusing on my own plans tonight. Stay mindful, because constant yeses breed burnout and resentment, signaling to others that your needs are secondary. By saying no thoughtfully, you protect your well-being, attract mutual respect, and build relationships based on balance, making you feel more valued and less drained in the long run. Teaser: 5 undermines your shine from within. Habit 5: brushing off your wins. Downplaying praise or successes like it was no big deal after pouring your heart in. In psychiatry, this links to imposter shadows. It's a self-protection that backfires, signaling low value and inviting others to agree. Own it instead. Respond with specific, proud acknowledgments a few times weekly, highlighting effort to internalize your worth. Say, thanks, I dedicated weekends to refine it, or appreciate that, I collaborated closely to pull it off. Be aware, because minimizing achievements reinforces self-doubt and prevents others from celebrating you fully, often rooted in fear of seeming arrogant. Embracing them mindfully elevates your self-view, inspires those around you, and creates a cycle of positive reinforcement, helping you step into roles that match your true capabilities. Keep going. 6 slips in under the radar. Habit 6: complimenting too freely. Handing out praise left and right to connect. But when it's overdone, it feels forced. This is the sincerity mirage, backed by social perception research. Excess flattery positions you as seeking favor, not standing equal. Refine it. Limit to 1 or 2 genuine, detailed compliments per interaction, focusing on quality to build authentic bonds. For example, I really value how you turned that setback into a win, or your insight on that topic shifted my perspective. Mind this shift, because over-complimenting can erode trust and make you seem needy, diluting real connections. By being selective and sincere, you position yourself as discerning, deepen relationships meaningfully, and earn reciprocal admiration, fostering a sense of equality and mutual growth. One last one: 7 shows without words. Habit 7: uncertain body cues. Slouching, dodging eyes, fidgeting. It feels modest, but it's a silent yield. From communication studies, nonverbal makes up over half our impact, and these cues whisper doubt, pushing respect away. Step up. Incorporate power poses into your routine, like standing tall with open posture, maintaining eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds, and using deliberate gestures daily. Practice in conversations. Hold a steady gaze while listening, or expand your stance in meetings. Be conscious here, because hesitant signals undermine your words before they're heard, often amplifying inner anxiety. Adopting strong nonverbals mindfully rewires your confidence from the outside in, influences how others respond positively, and creates an aura of assurance that draws opportunities and respect effortlessly. These aren't just tweaks, they're your path to rising above. Pulling it together now. Letting go of over-apologizing, dodging conflict, over-explaining, people-pleasing, downplaying wins, over-complimenting, and shaky body language frees you from those invisible chains of unbalanced reciprocity. You're stepping out of being the nice one who's overlooked. Drop those 7 today. Claim your strength. Embrace who you become. The quiet commander. Someone who understands people deeply, radiates true presence, and earns respect naturally. This isn't surface change. It's you, elevated, feeling that inner shift already. It's real, and it's waiting. If this spoke to you, hit like, subscribe for more insights straight from my world, and drop "I'm rising" in the comments to own it. In the next video, I will tell you ways to command respect without saying a single word. This one will be even deeper. Don't miss it. Talk soon.